What is a big risk, however, are the seasonal respiratory viruses. Doctors say flu numbers are still soaring and may get higher as the weather gets colder.
Our Georgia Peck spoke with local doctors today to see exactly what's going on here. Hey, Georgia.
Hey guys, yeah, the doctor I spoke with today shared some key factors as to why our numbers are so high this year and what you can do to protect you and your family.
We've been hit very hard by the flu. I think Louisiana at one point was #1 in the nation.
Dr. Kevin D. Benedetto, Chief Medical Officer at Lake Urgent Care, says the top 3 reasons why we're seeing such high numbers of flu cases and other illnesses are timing, weather, and lack of testing.
Because it started hitting before Thanksgiving, then you had Christmas, so that's why you're seeing such incredibly high numbers right now.
Dr. D. Benedetto says colder temps outside means people are gathering more inside and in close quarters to stay warm, and says your home's heater has a part to play in it too.
You don't have that humidity. You got your heater on, your mucous membranes dry out, they're more friable. It's much easier to get infected. You can't fight off infection as well when your nostrils are kind of fried out.
He says some colds and infections that are mainly kid-driven, like RSV and walking pneumonia, are also high in numbers right now. And most adults who catch those get it from their kids at home. But there's ways you can reduce your chances of spreading something between your family members.
Isolation with that, good hand washing around the house, wiping down doorknobs, all those things are important in the household. Somebody's sick, countertops, things that are touched frequently, you may want to clean off.
And he says it's especially important if you have elderly or immunocompromised members of the family or people you know you're going to interact with.
Sometimes people will not get tested because they feel, well, it's just a cold, I'm not worried about it. They just got to remember who else is in the household.
And even though COVID symptoms may be less intense now, as well as the CDC quarantine guidelines, he says getting tested is the best way to know for sure and keep your family and friends safe.
If you feel like you need to be seen or tested, or if you want to get your flu vaccine, head to our 9 News app for more information on how. Guys.
All right, Georgia, thank you. Still ahead.